Want to know what 6.39 inches can do for you? Want to know what a Snapdragon 730 processor can do for you? Then stick around because I'm going to unbox it, baby. Hi everyone, welcome to IoT X's on Tech. Thank you very much for joining me today on this episode. Today I have a big yellow bag from DHL that contains a 6.39 inch screen, a Snapdragon 730 processor, or processor if you're an American. It also has 4 gig of RAM, 128 gig of storage, and it comes with a Chinese adapter plug. What do we have today? Well padded. It's the Xiaomi Mi 9T. You've got 6 gig of RAM.
Rewind.
Correction. So this is the Mi 9T. My mistake, it's actually got 6 gig of RAM and 64 gig of storage, not 128 gig of storage and 4 gig of RAM. So this is in Glacier Blue. So I'm not going to unbox this. The owner of this is going to unbox it. So you will see some different hands taking off the plastic and handling the phone. So let's have a closer look at this amazing looking phone. So let's have a look at some specs while the phone is being unboxed. So this phone has a very nice looking 6.39 inch AMOLED screen with the usual 60 million colours. The Mi 9T comes with a Snapdragon 730 octa-core processor and a 4000 mAh battery, and also has an NFC for those all-important contactless payments. This model has 6 gig of RAM and 64 gig of storage. Unfortunately, this phone doesn't come with expandable storage, so you can't put in a micro SD card. And yes, it has a 3.5mm headphone jack, along with an IR blaster, so you can use your phone as a remote control. So what do you get in the box then? So this comes with some information leaflets, a black hard shell cover that covers the back of the phone and a little bit around the edges. I would say it's worthwhile investing in a more substantial silicone case, just to protect the corners more and to protect the screen more. In the box, you'll also find a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, along with an 18 watt fast charger. You also get the SIM ejector tool as well. So what about the cameras then? So this phone has a 48 megapixel wide angle main shooter, an 8 megapixel telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom, and a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera. For shooting video, the camera can shoot 4K at 30 frames per second. So the best feature about this phone, I think anyway, is the pop-up selfie camera. So this has a 20 megapixel camera which can also shoot in 1080p at 30 frames per second. So as you can see here, the Mi 9T came with MIUI 10. It did get the MIUI 11 download a few days after. Also, the phone ships originally with Android 9, but after about a week, it also got Android 10. the selfie button.
Where's that?
Above where your thumb is.
That,
Above.
that.
No, that's to the left.
That.
That's down below. Above.
That.
Above. No.
Up there?
Oh my god!
I can't
that
see.
One.
Ah, okay. Oh.
It's probably got beauty mode activated above it. So what do you think of this phone? Would you get this phone? Do you like this phone? I think the pop-up camera is just such a unique feature. The way you just hit the selfie button, it goes da-da-da-da. It pops up with a nice blue light around it. And da-da-da-da. And when you push the button, it goes back down again. I really like this phone. I wouldn't mind getting one for myself. So if you got this phone, hit us up in the comments and tell me what you think about your phone. So this wraps up this video about the Xiaomi Mi 9T, the 6.39 inch full screen AMOLED mobile phone from Xiaomi. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, then hit that dislike button twice. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. The more subscribers I get, then the more amazing videos like this I can make for you out there. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you again on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I wish I could fly right up to the sky, but I can't. Yes, you can. No, you can't. Yes, I can.